Monica, and I'm coming at you today with just something quick and easy to do to a store-bought Italian cream cake. Our wedding anniversary is this week, and we've been together since 92, but we got married in 97. So it's an oldie. I think, what is that, 28 years? So 28 years together and 23 of it being married. So, my husband is our grocery shopper during the coronavirus extravaganza. About every 3 weeks, we're going to the grocery store, or he is rather, all suited up in his masks. And today, he got an Italian cream cake. This is the cake that his mother made for us. Then I thought, because it was plain on the top, it had these little pecan nuts down here on the bottom, the little crust. I wanted to kind of jazz it up, and originally I thought maybe I'd do candied orange peels, but when I got to looking into that, if you do it traditionally, it's quite a lengthy process. It can take up to 10 days to do those candied orange peels. The quickest way that I saw was to use 1/4 of a cup of sugar and to do it with an orange zest, and it's not got as good of reviews as the traditional way, the lengthier way to do it. So I thought I'd do the quick way, and then I went in my cabinet and discovered I don't have any actual sugar, some granulated sugar. I have light brown sugar for my sweet potatoes, but I don't keep sugar because we don't use that in anything. That kind of messed up my plans on that, but thankfully, to good old Smucker's here, I forgot that I had my sweet orange marmalade. So I just went ahead and took about 2.5 spoonfuls of my Smucker's orange marmalade. I created a little heart shape here with my pecans and filled that in with that marmalade. It'll give a little orange taste to it, an orange flavor. And then I put some of these little pecans all around the cake here just to kind of give it a little bit of interest. So I mean, this is something I really could go a little bit more crazy if I wanted to, and do a little orange zest with these oranges I have back here. But the problem is, if you don't do it the way that you do those candied orange zest or candied peels, I'm almost afraid, because nowadays, fruits and everything, they've got so much chemical, unless you have the organic kind, and even then, you're kind of taking a chance that they have some chemical in the peel. So you'd still have to do kind of a lengthy process to make sure that you're rid of that before you zest anything. So I just went ahead and did this orange marmalade trick with my Smucker's jelly, and I'm fine with that. It looks cute. It's not as plain as it was before. So there's something quick and easy that you can do with a store-bought cake. In my case, it is the Italian cream cake. He got it at Kroger's. I'll show you the label. It's got almond flavor with some coconut, and a lot of people do like a fluffy coconut look to it. I'll show you the nutrition label if you're interested in that. I'm not even going to bother worrying about the amount of carbs that I'm going to eat in that. So there's my little wedding anniversary cake with the heart on top. You can do whatever design you want, but that's what I went with today. Be smart, safe, and healthy, guys, and don't forget to stay extra sparkly. Bye!